Hey everyone, welcome back to All American Rides. Today, we're taking a close look at the all-new 2026 Toyota Corolla Altis, a sedan that's long been a favorite for reliability, comfort, and efficiency. But this year, Toyota's brought some serious updates that make the Corolla Altis more appealing than ever. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the 2026 Altis has a sleeker, bolder look. Toyota has refined the front fascia with a wider grille, sharper LED headlights, and sculpted lines that give it a more athletic stance. It looks more like a mini Camry now, and that's not a bad thing. Around the back, the taillights have been redesigned as well, giving the car a modern and upscale vibe. Depending on the trim, you'll get either 16 or 17-inch alloy wheels, and there's even a new color option, titanium silver, that really pops in the sunlight. Now under the hood, Toyota offers two powertrain options. The standard variant comes with a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, pushing out around 140 horsepower. It's not a rocket, but it's smooth, quiet, and incredibly fuel-efficient. For those looking for more performance and even better mileage, the hybrid model is the real winner. It pairs a 1.8-liter engine with Toyota's proven hybrid system, delivering a combined output of 121 horsepower with mileage nearing 55 miles per gallon. That's seriously impressive for a non-plug-in sedan. Inside, Toyota's stepped up the game. The 2026 Altis cabin feels more premium than before. There's soft-touch material on the dash, more supportive seats, and a new 10.5-inch infotainment display in the center. It runs Toyota's latest software, supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and has a much snappier response than older versions. The digital instrument cluster, now fully customizable, gives you navigation prompts, trip data, and even hybrid performance info, if you go for that version. Passenger comfort is still a highlight. The rear seat legroom is generous, and the cabin is noticeably quieter thanks to improved sound insulation. Toyota's also added USB-C ports for both front and rear passengers, along with wireless charging on higher trims. And yes, you still get a decent-sized trunk, with the hybrid barely losing any cargo space thanks to a smart battery placement. On the road, the Altis drives like you'd expect from a modern compact sedan, composed, comfortable, and efficient. The steering feels more responsive this year, and Toyota's tweaked the suspension just enough to reduce body roll without compromising comfort. Whether you're commuting in traffic or cruising down the highway, the 2026 Altis delivers a smooth and confident ride. Safety is where Toyota continues to shine. The Corolla Altis comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. That includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, and even road sign assist. There's also a 360-degree camera on higher trims, along with blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert. Bottom line, this car doesn't just look good, it's built to protect. Price-wise, Toyota's kept it competitive. The base model starts just under $24,000, while the hybrid version begins around $26,000. Fully loaded, you're looking at around $30,000, and for what you get in terms of tech, safety, and reliability, that's a solid deal. Now if you're wondering how it stacks up against rivals like the Honda Civic, Hyundai Elantra, or Mazda 3, it really depends on your priorities. The Civic might feel a bit sportier, the Elantra offers more bold styling, and the Mazda 3 arguably has a more upscale interior. But when it comes to all-around value, long-term dependability, and excellent fuel economy, the Corolla Altis is still a top pick. Especially now, with these 2026 upgrades, it's more than just a safe bet, it's a genuinely enjoyable ride. So, is the 2026 Toyota Corolla Altis exciting? Maybe not in the thrill-seeker sense. But it's stylish, smart, and seriously efficient. And that's exactly what most buyers want. If you're in the market for a reliable daily driver that doesn't skimp on modern features, the new Altis deserves a spot on your test drive list. That's it for today's review here on All American Rides. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss our latest car reviews. Drop a comment below. Would you pick the Altis or go for one of its rivals? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.